Looking at this question, we can see that we have lead nitrate and water mixed together. The information that is given is that the volume of water is 150 cubic centimeters. The concentration of this mixture is 0.25 moles per cubic decimeter. Pay attention to the units: cubic centimeters, cubic decimeters. Our first step will then be to convert our volume of H2O from cubic centimeters to cubic decimeters. As explained in the previous question, this is done by dividing by 1,000. Therefore, our volume is 0.15 cubic decimeters. The next step will be to use our equation C is equal to N over V. We are given 0.25 as the concentration. We've just solved for the volume of water, 0.15. We can now solve for the number of moles. This gives us the number of moles, 0.075 moles. We have the number of moles. We are looking for mass of lead nitrate. We can use the formula number of moles is equal to mass, which is what we're looking for, divided by the molar mass. We have the number of moles, but we don't have the molar mass of lead. Therefore, to calculate the molar mass of lead, we find on the periodic table the mass of lead 207, the mass of nitrogen 14, and 3 oxygens 16 times 3. Therefore, the molar mass of lead nitrate is 269 grams per mole. We now have the molar mass of lead nitrate. We substitute into our equation the number of moles, 0.0375. We're looking for the mass, and we substitute our molar mass, 269. Important here is to teach students to always substitute into the standard equation and manipulate the equation afterwards. This allows students to get all substitution marks instead of substituting values in the incorrect place and losing all marks. During this stage, students then manipulate the formula to make M the subject of the formula. The mass is then 10.0875 grams. It's really important when teaching students that we show them the easiest methods in order to try and get the maximum number of marks. Ideally, students should always substitute into the standard equations which are found on the formula sheet, like concentration is equal to number of moles over volume, number of moles is equal to mass over molar mass. This will allow students to receive all the marks for the formula and substitution, so that even if they make errors in the mathematics which is done afterwards, they will only lose the mark for the final answer.